Sharpologist.com.
This is Otto Wright for Sharpologist. The perfect shave can be ruined by a corroded safety razor. Many wet shavers are surprised to find their stainless steel razors succumbing to wear and tear. The finish of your safety razor plays a crucial role in its durability and resistance to corrosion. Let's explore how different finishes affect the longevity of your trusted shaving tool. Safety razors come with various finishes, each offering unique benefits. Polished finishes provide a sleek, mirror-like appearance and are less prone to corrosion. However, they may show scratches more easily. Matte finishes, on the other hand, hide wear better but might require more frequent cleaning. Coated finishes offer extra protection against corrosion-causing elements. The material of your safety razor also impacts its durability. Stainless steel is a popular choice for its corrosion resistance. However, other materials like brass and copper offer benefits such as antibacterial properties, despite being more vulnerable to damage. Higher grades of stainless steel, like 316L, are better suited for wet environments than lower grades like 303. Corrosion is the enemy of any safety razor. Even stainless steel can develop surface rust when regularly exposed to water and dissolved salts. This chemical reaction, often called a T-stain, can lead to pitting corrosion over time. Corroded razors not only look unappealing, but can also cause skin irritation and compromise the quality of your shave. Proper maintenance is crucial for preserving your razor's finish and extending its lifespan. Clean your razor after each use to remove soap scum, skin oils, and hair residue. Store it in a well-ventilated area away from moisture. Regularly inspect your razor for signs of wear and replace parts as needed. Applying a light coat of oil can also help protect the finish. When choosing a finish for your safety razor, consider both aesthetics and practicality. Polished finishes offer a modern look, but may require more care to maintain their shine. Matte finishes are great for hiding fingerprints and smudges, but might need more frequent cleaning. Coated finishes provide additional protection but may wear off over time. In conclusion, the finish of your safety razor significantly influences its durability and resistance to corrosion. By understanding the pros and cons of different finishes and materials, and implementing proper maintenance routines, you can ensure your razor remains in prime condition for years to come. Choose wisely, maintain diligently, and enjoy a superior shaving experience with a razor that stands the test of time.